I think too many people just throw out these crazy, silly numbers. They didn't think about it. There was no thought behind it. Nothing was strategic. And as we look at the goal, we need to make sure we're setting up SMART goals. SMART meaning the goals are specific, they're measurable, they're attainable, they're relevant, and they're time-based. So am I going to make the goal in a month, a quarter, half a year, a year? That's up to you, okay? You guys need to set the SMART goals, but they've got to be realistic. Now, let me go on my little soapbox here for a moment, okay? Here's my soapbox. All of you who have a goal of making $1 million, and right now at your job, you're making like 60 grand a year. So for you to say, I'm going to make $1 million, my goal is to make $1 million in the next 12 months. That is not a SMART goal. It's not specific. It's not measurable. It's rarely attainable. It's not relevant because why $1 million? What are you going to do with it? And it's not time-based unless it's a year, okay? But I don't think that's enough time. Now, I believe in realistic goals being, if I'm making $60,000 a year at my job, my goal for 2025 is to make 60 grand a year at my job and 60 grand a year at this new endeavor. Year 2, I'm going to make $65,000 at my job, and I'm going to make $120,000 in my offline adventure, okay? Whatever that is. Now, over those 2 years, I've made 180 grand. It's in savings. I'm going to quit my job. My 3rd year, I'm going to pay myself out of the savings account 65 grand a year, and I'm going to work on the business full time. And then I'm going to double it again. So 60, 120, 240, 480, 960, I'm a millionaire. And we did it in 4 years, okay? Now, that's a SMART goal. I think too many people just throw out these crazy, silly numbers. They didn't think about it. There was no thought behind it. Nothing was strategic. I want you to be strategic.